Tired of complicated money transfer processes? Today, we're simplifying everything with a step-by-step guide on sending money directly to a bank account using Remitly. First things first, if you don't already have one, download the Remitly app or head to their website and create an account. It's quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to enter your personal details and verify your identity. Once you're logged in, tap or click the Send Money button here. You'll select the country you're sending money to. Next, it's time to enter your recipient's information. This includes their full name, address, and most importantly, their bank account details, the bank name, account number, and sometimes the SWIFT or BIC code. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Now, specify the amount you want to send. You'll see a breakdown of the exchange rate, any transfer fees, and the estimated delivery time. Remitly offers different transfer options like Express or Economy with varying fees and speeds, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Review all the details one last time. Make sure the recipient's information, the amount, and the delivery method are all correct. Finally, choose your payment method. Remitly accepts various options like debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Enter your payment details securely. After confirming your payment, Remitly will process the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification with a transaction reference number. You can track the progress of your transfer within the Remitly app or website. Remitly will notify you when the money has been successfully deposited into your recipient's bank account. Now you have successfully sent money to a bank account using Remitly.